Hey everybody, welcome to the garage. Today, quick little video, just going to show how to remove the seat back on a BMW E46 front seat. So, let's go see how it goes. So this is the seat we're going to be working on. This is actually the driver's seat out of the E46 convertible project car. I'm taking the back off because I'm going to try and get some of this leather removed here and do a repair, which I'll cover in another video. But I thought I'd just show how to remove this because they kind of look like a bit of a mystery when you first look at how is that clip there and you don't want to break it. So I'm going to show you how we're going to get that off. Okay, so just tilted the seat back forward. So this is a convertible, so it is slightly different in that it has the seatbelt attachment here and this, but I do believe this is basically the same process on all the E46 seats. So we start down at the bottom. There's two screws, Phillips screw. So we're going to take those two screws out first, and then it's held in. There's a clip up here, a clip over here. There's a pin, a sort of horizontal pin that snaps in up here, and then there are two features, or I don't even know what you call them, that I'll show you when I get it apart, that clip in here and try and hold the sides of this in. So it's all those places. The clips up here are push pins, so same thing you'd use on door panel, that sort of thing. So we'll start with the screws, get the two screws out, and then we'll see about getting the rest of the clips released one at a time. All right, so we'll start taking these two screws out. Okay, so I think the next thing is the two clips that try to hold this in hard against the leather. Now, the other seat, when I did on the passenger seat, I actually ended up ripping them off. They're glued onto this, and I glued them back on. They seem to have worked fine, so I know that's an option. We're going to see if we can, I'm suspecting they're not going to come out there. So we'll go up and work on the clips here. There, one. That's a pin. One more clip there. Oh, got that one out good. Okay, so you can see that here. We've got a push clip here, a push clip here, which is sitting there. We got this pin, which engages sideways here, and then we've got these two attachments that slide in here to help hold this in. And that is how you take a back off of an E46 front seat. So, hopefully that little video was helpful for you for getting your seats off. Now I know this is specific to the convertible, but I also know that except for that clip right here, these are basically the same system for all the E46 seats. So, thank you for watching. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the garage again soon. Have a great day and be safe.